Hi guys, now here is how you can have your own loan management website system. It says that people can actually apply loan, then you can have them approve. So this is the front end. You can also set the type of loan you want to do in dollars, in any currency in the world. So you can also set customer review, maybe awards, total loan given out. So this is also a free question, that's FAQ, free question asks. So this is the front page of how the loan website looks like, and also set a blog, etc. And this is a footer how you can put your informations about your loan plans. Now let me show you the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, how it looks like, total users. So every user needs to be verified, and you can have this set up. Just let me know, chat me, contact me via the description on the screen to have this set up for your business. Easy peasy. So this is where the loan is. This is where you can manage user and people that are verified and not verified. You can also set your payment system, how you want people to withdraw their money, how you can approve withdrawals. So all of this thing is being monitored. You can monitor the loan here, pending loan, running loan, due loan, paid loan, rejected loan. So this is easy peasy of how a loan website system looks like. If you want it done for your business, hit me up with the details on the screen or in the description, and I can help you set it up and it's ready in 48 hours. This is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.